How to mute iPhone without side button. So if you want to mute your iPhone without side button, then first you need to open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to just scroll down and you need to go with accessibility. Under accessibility, you need to again scroll down and go with touch. And here you will have assistive touch. You need to go and turn this off. After turning on your assistive touch, now the second step is to just tap on your assistive touch and tap on device, and you will have this kind of interface, and here you will have unmute option or mute option. So in my case, I've already mute my phone. So in order to unmute or in order to mute, you'll be able to mute or unmute from this without the side button. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.